Hi there. In this tutorial lesson, I'm going to show you how to add automation to our project. For example, you see this title, Welcome to our site. In the code, this is an h1 tag. If I go to style.less, I'm going to show you why I said style.less. And this is an h1 tag. And I want the color, this color to be green. Okay, and save. As you can see, the site is reloaded automatically and the color is changed. Okay, and the same way in our HTML code, if I add an exclamation and save, so you see it appears automatically. So I'm gonna show you how to configure this with Gulp plugin. Okay, so I will leave the code for you to download, and also to show you there is no secret. I want to do this just because adding automation to our code, so we will code more quickly, okay, and more efficiently. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, first of all, to begin, we need to install Node.js. What is Node.js? Node.js is an open source server environment. So Node.js is also cross-platform. I mean, you have version for Windows, Mac, and Linux. For example, I'm using Windows. I will click here, okay, and it will download the installer. After that, you will click on it and follow the instructions to install it. Okay, I have already Node.js installed, and after that, what you will need, we will need, I mean, Git. So I don't know if you already heard about, I mean, GitHub is a repository, and Git we are using with the command line. Okay, and that's it. We are going to use Git. Okay, so you'll see in a while how to use it. For example, Git is also a cross-platform. I mean, you have version for Mac, Windows, and Linux. I'm using Windows. I'm going to this version, okay, and it will be downloaded. And after that, click on it, okay, and follow the instructions to install it. And now, after installing Node.js and Git, I'm going to teach you how to use them in order to automate our environment. In the left side of our project, I have a folder named Automated. This is a folder responsible for automation in my project, and it is already configured, but I will do it with you just to see how it works. Okay, I will remove this file, I mean this folder, okay, this old bunch folder, okay, delete, okay, I will delete this old folder, okay, yes, and that's it. I will do it with you two ways, okay? So I'm gonna wait until all the subfolder being deleted in this node modules folder. Okay, that's it. Okay, and now inside our local server, okay, um, this is the icon of our local server, TwilAbu, and we're gonna search for our project folder. Okay, PSD to HTML, okay, inside the folder automated. So what you will do first, you will create this folder automated. I mean, you can name it whatever you want, okay, and okay, but if you want, you can follow along, just put the same name. And this gold file I'm going to show you, this has the configuration of our environment, okay, and this is the package JSON. Okay, let me show you real quick. Okay, and this has all the plugins that we're gonna install, okay, and uh, this is the configuration, okay, okay, when I go back in a while, okay, and now I'm going to show you how to install it. Okay, and now let's go back to, this inside the folder automated. Okay, and now right click and click get bash here. So this is why we installed in Git. Okay, what you're gonna do now, we're gonna say npm. I told you about npm, so you could Google it, okay, to know more about it. Okay, npm install. Okay, so npm I or npm install. Okay, what you're gonna do, you're gonna look inside, this package, I mean, look inside this package, okay, the package JSON, and install all of these for us. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, and enter. Okay, let's get rid of one of these. Okay, and guys, we're gonna wait a couple of seconds, so it will create a node module folder for us. Okay, after installing, that's it. So you see the node module folders, and we'll install all of these for us. So I'm gonna wait until the installation is complete. And now, after installing all our necessary packages, we're gonna run gulp. Okay, one gulp, so it gonna open the browser automatically. As you can see, you see the browser was opened automatically. Now our environment is automated, but I'm gonna show you a little bit the configuration of our gulp 5. Okay, so as you can see, and let's go back here. So let's see if I can um, reduce a little bit. So let me show you. For example, if I type, anything here and save. So as you can see, the browser is reloaded automatically. So that's it, guys. And one more thing I want to show you. This is the plugin. This is how we call. So don't forget, this is all the package, gulp-less, so smart. And this is how to call, but this file is JavaScript, okay? But JavaScript is not our main focus in this course. And this is how to call all the required plugin, okay? Var-less, this is the plugin less, okay? Here, the plugin gulp-less, and less auto prefix, okay? This is the plugin. So we call each one of them, okay? And this is browser sync, responsible for, automatic reload, okay? And here, one more important thing I want to show you, this, so you see dot dot, it will go, so this is the less folder, the CSS folder, sorry, okay? So as you can see, it will take, okay, it will go inside, the CSS folder, look for the style less, okay? And this is the N3, and here it's gonna put inside, so you see the distribution, okay? It's gonna go inside the CSS folder. This style.less will generate a style.css, okay? And I'm going to show you, for example, so you see this has, green, for example, look the result, okay? Let me show you in a while. For example, if I add, background, red, for example, and save. So as you can see, the browser will reload automatically, but also it will generate, okay, in the style.css, this one, Okay, so you're gonna see everything is a while. So that's it, guys. I have just showed you how to configure, I mean, gulp, how to automate, I mean, our environment in order to code more quickly and more efficiently. So that's it, guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, drop your comment below. So in the next video, so we have everything set up and now we can start coding. So um, without problem. So thanks for watching, guys. It was a pleasure and see you in the next video. Don't forget, I mean, to invite your friend to this channel and drop your comment below. Thank you and bye-bye.